Whispering Wings Guide Service 2011, Unity, Maine. Buddy on point. Good deal. Let's go retrieve that bird.
Here,
Buddy just pointed a woodcock.
Come on, you see it. Come here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here. Oh, here. Oh, here. 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 Throw it.
Hold up your bird, Gabe.
Barely hit it though, look.
Tell me a little about your experience here, Gabe, coming to Whispering Wings Guide Service.
Well, I've been here this is my 10th season coming here. I love it. There's classic covers out of, you see out of sporting magazines from the 30s and 40s. Classic covers. You don't see anybody around. I mean, this is the best it gets in New England. It's not just logger roads, it's beautiful farm fields. And Chuck Penny, excellent guide. Many years of experience grouse hunting as a great sportsman, and very happy coming here. It feels like you know, home away from home here, and I enjoy it very much. So we had another great experience here in Unity, Maine. And I tell you, people go across the country, but it's right here in our backyards in New England. You're not going to get better than this. And I'm just happy to be here.